Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Pete Olson, the Montana Silver Stacker. Happy Saturday to you. Hope everyone's having a fabulous day today. It's been a good one here. Got my workout in. I got some silver in the mail, and you know that's why I'm doing my video here for an unboxing. What do we have here, guys? 50 ounces, 20, 40, and then 10 in here. 50 ounces of silver rounds. What is the round, you may ask? And by the way, these rounds I get for free. Compliments of MintBuilder, the world's first and only silver, gold, and Bitcoin network marketing company ever. Because I get all my silver and gold out of profits, guys, never out of my own pocket, okay? There'll be a link below if you're looking to make an enormous monthly income and have a home-based business in silver, gold, and Bitcoin. Click on that link below, and that will take you to the website. You can watch the video, and you'll see my information down there too. You can email me, you can call me if you have questions on the business. I am the top leader here at MintBuilder, and would love to help you out. Okay, so let's take a look real quick at the 50 rounds that I got. It's all the same coin. I'm gonna put it up here. Okay, get it up there real close so you can see it. This is the Liberty Bell 1 ounce silver round, and I got these from MintBuilder. The Liberty Bell 1 ounce silver round, and this, guys, it's an absolutely beautiful coin. Anyone would love to add it to their silver bullion collection. This side here we'll start off with as far as the description. Okay, the eagle. This is an eagle surrounded by a ring of 5 pointed stars. Okay, a striped shield rests over the great bird's chest. Inscriptions read 1 troy ounce, 0.999 fine silver, and Liberty silver. You guys can see that right on there. The circumference of the obverse and reverse are reeded for ease of stacking. When they say reeded, guys, see these little edges right here, and they just stack just beautifully right on top of each other. Okay. Boy, that is a beautiful coin there. That is a beautiful coin. Okay. Let's go to the other side. On the reverse here, you're going to find the Liberty Bell under a banner that says Life, Liberty, Happiness. Below is an inscription of 1 troy ounce, 0.999 pure silver. You see that down there. And SilverTowne Mint, guys, located in Winchester, Indiana, was founded in 1949 by Leon Hendrickson. And the mint is known for creating high-quality bullion products, and they are phenomenal products, guys. Absolutely phenomenal products. And they have strict metal purity standards. And because the mint is privately owned and operated, their investment grade bullion is offered at a more affordable price than many sovereign minted products. Stackable Liberty rounds always ship in new condition. The individual rounds are in a plastic flip as always, but the quantities of 20 are in a mint tube, and the quantities of 500 are in a monster box. So right here, guys, tube of 20. So 20, 40, 10 in here, 50. So you can see, guys, I'm really upping my silver purchases. Gosh, I must have over 6,500 ounces now. You see what's happened with the stock market. I want no part of that until that, and I think you're going to see that thing cut in half. This is the only thing that's going to save you from inflation. This is the only thing that's going to save you and your family. 5,000-year track record, right? So as the dollar fails, silver and gold thrives. We're in a derivative bubble. We are in a real estate bubble. We're in a bond bubble, right? The dollar's starting to crash. Guys, everything is so overblown. The balance sheet's overblown on corporate earnings. This is at minimum, guys, you got to have 10 to 15% of your portfolio in silver and gold. That's what all the experts say. It's not what I say, it's what the experts say. 10 to 15%. Okay? I've got my whole portfolio in silver and gold. That's me personally, because I like the safety and security of it. When silver goes to triple digits and beyond, we'll see about, getting out of some of that. But, for now, I love the security and safety for myself and the family with my silver. So I'd say I'm definitely over 6,500 ounces now and growing. I'm going to get to 10,000 ounces and beyond for sure. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys. Please share it to all your social media networks. Can you do that for me? I appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click that little bell notification, and that will notify you anytime I have my newest upload video, okay, or newest video that I've uploaded. And please comment below. Tell me what you think about this round. Tell me what you're buying. Are you getting into bars? 100 ounces, kilos, 10 ounces, 5 ounces? Are you doing government coins? Are you doing bullion rounds? What are you doing? I want to hear from you. I appreciate you guys. Thanks again, and I appreciate you always checking out my channel. God bless you. And remember, if you're interested in the silver and gold Bitcoin home-based business, it's provided me an enormous income, guys. Click on that link below. Check out the video on the website. Call me. Email me. The information will be down there. God bless you. Bye-bye.